国古典4大名著之一《西游记》之篇，孙悟空三打白骨精。
Monkey King defeats the white-bone demon. The Buddhist monk Tangsanzang and his 3 disciples were traveling from China to India in search of the sacred Buddhist scriptures. His 3 disciples were called the Monkey King, Pixie, and Sand Monk. One day, Tang Monk and his disciples entered the mysterious White Tiger mountain range. It was winter, and the travellers were cold and hungry. The Monkey King said to the Buddhist monk Tangsanzang, "Master, it is another devil's trap. I will make a ring around you. Inside that you will be safe. Do not wander outside it. I will go and look for food for you." The Monkey King flipped onto a cloud and disappeared in the sky. This mysterious mountain is where the white-bone demon lives. The white-bone demon is a shape-shifting demon, whose true form is a white skeleton. It is said that eating Tangsanzang's flesh will turn one's grey hair black and regrow one's lost teeth. The white-bone demon has always desired to eat the flesh of the Buddhist monk. Trying to deceive the travellers, the demon took on her human form and transformed into a young girl. She approached towards Tangsanzang, but the magic ring kept her out of the circle. The Monkey King saw through her disguise with his magical powers, and descending from the sky, he killed her false image. The demon spirit abandoned the body, leaving behind only a corpse. The Monkey King's sudden violence towards this seemingly innocent girl horrified Buddhist monk. But the poor monk, who could not see the demon spirit, was appalled by what he had witnessed. Chanting a scripture, the Monkey King was punished by the tightening metal band around his head. "My dear master, please stop chanting. I am suffering acute headaches. I will not kill anyone any more," the Monkey King pleaded. Being forgiven by his master, the Monkey King went to search for food again. Here came an old woman from the mountain, calling her daughter's name while she was walking down the hill. As she saw the corpse of the young girl, she started to cry out loud. Feeling guilty about the kill, the Buddhist monk was about to leave the ring to comfort the old woman. Before he made his move, the Monkey King suddenly appeared from nowhere and killed the old woman again. Horrified by this scene, Buddhist monk punished the Monkey King by chanting the headache spell again. "My dear master, please stop chanting. I am suffering acute headaches. I will not kill anyone any more," the Monkey King pleaded again. Forgiven by his master the second time, the Monkey King was determined to find food as quickly as possible. Absent from the Buddhist monk, the white-bone demon disguised herself as the father of the girl. He was calling his daughter's name out loud as he approached towards the traveller's resting spot. Seeing 2 dead bodies laying on the ground, the man started to cry. The Buddhist monk quickly fell for the facade of the demon and stepped outside the ring. All of a sudden, Monkey King returned and killed the old man yet again. Murdering 3 innocent people, the Buddhist monk was absolutely disgusted. He expelled the Monkey King from the pilgrimage and pledged never to see him again. Protected by Pixie and Sand Monk, the Buddhist monk continued his journey to the west. At this moment, the white-bone demon descended on them, kidnapped them to her cave, and ordered small devils to tie them up. Horrified to see an immense amount of human skeletons lying on the floor, Tangsanzang realized his misunderstanding towards Monkey King. Wine was served, the water was boiling, the devils were celebrating their capture and preparing to feast on the flesh of the Buddhist monk. It was not long before the Monkey King crashed into the cave when a great fight ensued. By plucking a handful of hairs from its own body, the Monkey King threw them into its mouth, chewed them into tiny pieces, and then spat them into the air. "Change!" he cried. the fragments of hair immediately transformed into hundreds of smaller monkeys, forming a large and densely packed army of monkeys. It was a bitter battle. Exercising the magical arts, the white-bone demon was defeated and chased off. Then, by using a magical spell, Monkey King changed all the small monkeys back into hares again. The Monkey King rejoined the travellers and continued their journey to the west.